Yes, that does say 3:15 in the morning, and I have just parked up at Edinburgh Airport for another adventure. Good morning, very early morning. I have just parked up at Edinburgh Airport and just had roughly about a 40-minute drive to get here, so up early, hardly any sleep. However, another adventure, another epic adventure today, already in the title of the video I'm sure, but I am going back on a Disney cruise, this time a different port, a different trip, one of the same ships I have been on, the Disney Dream, one of my favourite ships, leaving from Barcelona, and it's going to be a 7-night cruise on the Mediterranean and just stopping off at different stops. I'm going to cover that more in the next video probably, but this is just like a travel video, so if you haven't watched my videos before, welcome. My name is Ian, aka MacBlogs, and today I am flying with Ryanair to Barcelona, and it should be roughly about a 2 hour or maybe 2.5 hour, 2 hours 45 minutes flight. And I don't think I'm going to say I haven't flown with Ryanair before. I think I have, but it's been a long time. I have been spoiled if you watch my videos with Virgin or the upper class stuff, but I genuinely don't mind where I sit and where I fly, because I am very grateful that I can go on these adventures and do this. So yeah, let's do it. Join me today in this video. Let's go, let's get into the airport, let's go get checked in. We'll see how much I cover. I'm not sure how long this video is going to be, but yeah, we'll just go with the flow. And we'll get to Barcelona, check out the hotel, just have a chilled pre-travel day today, and then tomorrow is embarkation day, where a brand new series will start on another cruise line vlog series. So yeah, let's go. It's very strange travelling at this time in the morning because I couldn't really sleep last night. I had to kind of get a little bit of sleep yesterday and then get up really early to drive over here and come to Edinburgh Airport, which I have flown a few times before, and I do enjoy flying from here. Never really get the time to look at things like this. I'm always in a rush, but today I am not. I'm just taking it easy. My flight is at 6 AM this morning. It's about 3:15 just now. Oh, 3:30, you've seen that in the video. And no rush, stress free. We go on a Disney cruise tomorrow. Cannot wait to get back on a Disney cruise where I will be officially a gold member. Yeah, this is the first time becoming a gold member on a Disney cruise line. I'm going to get myself checked in, potentially a self check-in, see how that goes with Ryanair, and I've paid the extra, I have to pay extra for to check in the big bag, because I'm taking the big bag because I'm going not just for a week cruise, there's a few surprises coming up. I am all checked in, self-check-in, success. I have been through security, had something to eat, and now about an hour wait for my flight, my plane. I am not sure if that is my plane, but hopefully I'm in the right area and not the opposite side of the airport. I have picked one side. I am playing the gate roulette, the airport roulette, guessing what side I'm going to be at. What I will say is the airport is a lot busier than I thought it would be, but yeah, it's been really smooth, really enjoyable so far. So You never know on travel days. So if you are new to my channel and wondering what am I doing roaming around and what's the whole purpose of this, basically I do a lot of different things, mainly kind of theme parks and travel and a kind of mixed bag in there type of videos. But today I am actually travelling. This is my first time ever. First time ever. Yes, first time ever to Barcelona, and I cannot wait because I've got a few things that I have never done, and I have a few surprises, not just a Disney cruise. So looking forward to that, and I can't give too much away just now, but I will be putting some posts on my Instagram and Facebook, some clues. So check out my social media if you want to. But look at this, really nice morning here. The weather is pretty much perfect, a little bit cold outside. A good day for travelling, hopefully to nice sunny warmer climates.
Ladies and gents, overall come aboard this Ryanair flight. Take me to Barcelona.
Fully boarded, and I think it's going to be a full flight by the sounds of things. So, short flight, like I say, well, what I'm used to. Just over 2 hours, or just under 3 hours. So not long now until we take off.
Larger devices, including laptops, must be switched off and stowed in your cabin baggage for takeoff and landing. Thank you for your attention. Please sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight.
Well, I got a lucky quick through passport control. It's very, very busy. I will explain more in a moment. Well, that was a it was a good flight, a really good flight, really loud flight. Some stag doos and all those kind of things going on, so I couldn't really record much. So I'll probably put a kind of montage in there just now, but I have arrived in Barcelona for the first time. Cannot believe I'm here for Barcelona for the first time and a cruise. So I'm doing a Disney cruise, which I've done before, but on top of that I'm going to be doing a bit of Barcelona as well, so that's a little clue of what's to come. But yeah, where's the sun? The sun is gone in Barcelona. I have jinxed it. But now, for now, I'm going to get into a taxi. For now, I am travelling with my mum, and a gentleman, one of the staff members, put us into a different queue, which allowed us to get into or through the passport control very quick. So that was that. But for now, I'm going to go get a taxi to the hotel, and then we can get up to some stuff.
Not rain now. Cruise ship tomorrow. Tomorrow, good day.
Good day for it. Yeah.
Seven today. People, you watch a lot of scooters.
Oh, okay.
People drive a scooter, no traffic, no parking, it's cheaper, faster.
Yeah.
All people drive a scooter here.
Yeah. Very quick taxi. Just used the airport taxi to get to my hotel, which is inside by Melilla, I think I said Melilla. Very central. I'm going to show you the view just now. Not central in regards to Barcelona, but for the harbour that is, sorry. So it is very close for the cruise ship. I will be staying here just for the one night. But look at this. Loving the vibe already. I'll give a quick room tour of the room. Very nice. Very clean, very modern. Haven't stayed in any of this chain's hotels before. Look at the mugs and the glasses. You've got kettles, coffees, bottle opener, safe. These are complimentary, I believe, so no charge for these, so you can enjoy this. I will be enjoying that. And then some hanging space here, even a yoga mat, slippers. But yeah, really nice. Let's have a look at the shower room. So not going in full detail, just kind of chilled kind of vibe in regards to a travel day, travel vlog. A lot more videos to come. So struggle to get the shower opened. Nice rainfall shower. But yeah, really nice room to enjoy the night and kick off the cruise tomorrow. Old school phone, look at that. Wow. But like I mentioned briefly when I came off and through border control, I could not record too much on the plane. Very busy, very quick flight, 2 hours 30 minutes. Not a lot really to show on the flight as well. You can buy stuff off the usual trolley and everything else, food and whatnot, but I never done that. I just relaxed, chilled, and tonight I am going to do something. So I might be leaving the room just now, heading over there and doing a separate video on that. So I think this little mini vlog is over. Just a little travel day, a little flight into Barcelona, getting ready for the cruise and a few more things. So I am going to be in total here for 2 weeks in Barcelona, a week on the cruise, and I'll be covering more of the cruise, as I said. So I'm going to leave it there. I'll put some clips in and whatnot of the hotel and some of the facilities here as well, and look out for all the videos that are coming from this trip. Brand new Disney Cruise Line vlog series, and a lot of other things as well. So cannot wait for that. I'm a little bit tired just now, as you can probably tell, but yeah, hopefully just you enjoyed that little video. Check out all the other videos, make sure you hit subscribe. A lot of travel videos, Orlando, Florida, Universal, Disney, Walt Disney World, all that kind of stuff, Disney cruises. So a lot of videos up there if you want to check them out. But that's me. I am going to leave it there. So thank you all for watching. Thank you all for supporting. And I will see you all in the next videos. Take care. Bye for now.